Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by physically preparing the HyperX Cloud Alpha. Attach the mic and plug the 3.5 mm cable into the headset. Next, connect to your source, PC, controller, or phone using the correct jack or USB adapter and make sure the source is powered. Install or update the PC audio drivers and disable any virtual surround or EQ software that conflicts. Once done, set your system playback device to the Cloud Alpha so audio routes immediately and cleanly to the headset. Now you tune sound and mic levels for clarity. Start with system volume around 70% to avoid clipping, then open your game or chat app and balance in-game and voice volumes. Use a conservative EQ. Cut low mids around 200 to 500 Hz to reduce muddiness, and slightly boost 3 to 6 kHz to bring vocals forward. For the microphone, enable the input and adjust gain so peaks stay around -6 to -3 decibels. This prevents distortion while keeping voice present. Finish by validating performance across scenarios. Play music, run a game, and join a voice chat to confirm consistent audio and mic behavior. If you hear static, dropouts, or low volume, first swap the cable or try another port or USB adapter. Often the connector is the culprit. If issues persist, reinstall or roll back the audio driver and reset any EQ presets. Make sure to test the headset on a second device to determine whether the problem is the headset or the original source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.